Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ajayastro Money Guru. Today, on the 18th of April 2024, we are diving into the latest updates and advanced analysis on the world of commodities. Let's kick things off with a look at CBOT wheat futures. Despite facing losses in the previous session, we saw a rebound as the US dollar softened and news came in from Argentina regarding their crop planting projections. The most active wheat contract on the CBOT showed a 0.4% increase, now standing at $5.54 and half a bushel. However, it's important to note that Chicago wheat is still hovering near its lowest level since 2020. This is largely attributed to the abundant supply from major exporter Russia and subdued demand for US exports. One factor influencing this market is the US dollar. While it has eased from its recent highs, its overall strength in recent months has made US exports less appealing to international buyers who deal in other currencies. Shifting our focus to Argentina, concerns over La Niña weather patterns and drought have impacted planting decisions. The Buenos Aires Grain Exchange reported a reduction in the projected wheat planting area for the upcoming season, citing a figure well below the 5-year average. Despite these regional challenges, the global wheat market remains in surplus. The International Grains Council anticipates an increase in world production for the upcoming marketing season. As always, weather plays a critical role. Dry conditions in the southern US plains and parts of Russia have been closely monitored by traders. However, recent forecasts suggest the possibility of rain in these regions, which could alleviate concerns. Looking at the domestic front, low wheat prices are posing profitability challenges for US farmers. Many are finding it increasingly difficult to break even in the current market environment. Shifting gears slightly, let's talk about French soft wheat exports. According to Farm Office France Agrimaire, there has been a slight adjustment in export forecasts for the 2023-24 season, indicating a decrease in projected exports outside the European Union. And that wraps up today's analysis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful updates on commodities. Until next time, happy trading.